guys, Demka here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to tame one of these. So I have already successfully tamed this one, and what's cool about it, if you run into it, come on, it will actually go on your shoulder. But if you jump, fly, or fall down, the parrot will come off your shoulder. But you know, that's nothing to worry about. Anyways, so first, you want to find yourself a parrot in the wild, or if you're in creative and you just want to tame one, just get it from creative. And you can use regular seeds, melon seeds, pumpkin seeds, and beetroot seeds. All these seeds to tame a parrot. So if I get my little buddy here, nope, nope, nope. There we are. So I'm just going to spam the seed button. Might take a while. Okay, so now he is tamed, but whatever you do not feed a parrot a cookie. Kills them. But yeah, so you can also make them sit. Take this guy. Take this guy. You can also have two on your shoulder at the same time. And I think that's pretty cool. I like these guys, they're funny. So I'm pretty sure they're supposed to like copy the sound that a mob makes. I'm not sure. Let me grab a husk. Spawn in a husk. Why can't I spawn in a husk? It's not letting me spawn in a husk. Not letting me spawn in the mobs. Let's spawn a vindicator. Can't spawn anything. Oh, I think I know why. Yeah, I'm an idiot. Oh, and as you see, there was a creeper over here, and it was renaming the sounds of the creeper. So if I spawn in a husk, still making a creeper sound. See it. You spawn a baby zombie. Does that not work? I spawn a baby one. Well, you can hear my parrot mimicking it. Can my parrot mimic a witch? Get away from here. Too much sound. Hey, come on. Come on, buddy. Yeah, so my parrot is copying the witch. That's nice. So I may have not talked for that long. I didn't talk for like 5 minutes anyway, so I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!